This holiday season, we are not asking you to buy more stuff. We're not even asking you to buy our stuff. We're asking you to take a moment to think about what you buy. What makes it unique, special, enviable? Is there a moment that this choice takes your product to the next level? That makes you the envy of the office with its uncommon quality of craft? We offer you that option. We want to help you think through every step of your design, be it lighting, room screens, or a completely crazy sculpture. We will help you be smart in your material choices, the shape, scale, and look of your design. We want this design to be the brightest, boldest version of your design talent, and we will help you make that happen every step of the way. Happy holidays from all of us at YGD. Be bold, be bright.